In today's fast-paced office furniture market, maintaining a competitive edge while keeping costs in check can be challenging for furniture retailers and store owners. But what if there was a smarter way for them to boost the profit margins and still offer high-quality products? That's where partnering directly with an office furniture manufacturer like Stellar Furniture comes in. The furniture business is highly competitive, and the customer retention rate and loyalty factor are decreasing day by day. In such scenarios, yielding good profits can be achieved by cutting out the middlemen sourcing directly from Stellar and getting the benefits of factory pricing. No more inflated costs from long sourcing chains. Instead, you enjoy competitive prices and more control over your business. Whether you're a retailer, wholesaler, or e-commerce store owner, these savings give you the flexibility to offer better prices to your customers or simply enjoy a larger profit for yourself. With our advanced shipping capabilities, we streamline the entire process to get your furniture where it needs to be, fast. And it's not just about cost. Quality matters too. Every Stellar piece meets the highest international standards, so you're assured of durable, reliable products that your customers will love. What's more, working directly with us allows for complete product customization. Whether it's a unique design, specific ergonomic features, or tailored dimensions, Stellar makes it possible. And with repeat orders, we guarantee consistency so you can offer exclusive lines that set you apart from competitors. You can also unlock new possibilities for your business by partnering with Stellar Furniture. As a direct manufacturer, we support large-scale commercial projects with comprehensive solutions from product selection to installation on a turnkey basis. Partnering with Stellar is more than just a transaction. It's about building a long-term relationship. From co-developing products that fit your market to getting early access to our latest designs, we're here to help your business grow. Ready to elevate your business? Contact Stellar Furniture today and discover the advantages of working directly with a trusted office furniture manufacturer.